Good evening, everyone. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Dollars Make Sense. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about an app called YHiT Body Maker. Very good app that I want to talk about today. So if you stay to the end of this video, I have two gifts I want to give you. Watch this video all the way to the end. So let's get into the video. YHiT Body Maker is a health and fitness app. Okay, it basically is like an exercise app, and I've already installed it on my Android phone. Suitable for physical training of any age. You get free points to unlock more actions. Completely free fitness plan. It's a video watching app. It just shows you videos of people exercising, doing certain exercises, and you get points. You are able to redeem those points for PayPal cash. I will be making a updated video on this on my phone just so I can go inside the app and show you guys how it works and what it looks like. But today I'm doing it this way really quickly. Funny today. So it has a 4.5 rating, 4.5 star rating, and here's a couple of reviews that people have given. Very simple to understand. Try this app, guys. Very good app. You know, these are really good reviews, and this just shows you a little bit about the person and the information that they left. I installed it on my phone, and right now, to date, I have almost 2,000 points. And once you get to 24,000 points, you can cash out $3 to PayPal. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to make an updated version of this video from my phone so I can take you guys into the app directly and show you exactly how it works, how you earn your points, and you can also refer your friends to this app and get more points as well. Okay, so for staying to the end of this video, I would like to now take you over to your free gifts. I now present to you your free gift. 100% free course on how to advertise on YouTube. See how to get your offer to thousands of people. If you guys are interested in advertising or learning about YouTube, in order to receive this free gift here, you would need to enter your correct information below, tap on the Get Course button, be sent to your email. Once you receive that email, you will open it, click on the link inside that email, take you to a page that looks like this. Okay? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this training. This is really going to help you out if you're looking into getting familiar with YouTube ads and the YouTube period. It's going to really help you out. I've already been to the training. It's awesome. I love YouTube. Been a part of YouTube for a while now, years, maybe 5 years now. It's amazing. So if you scroll to the bottom here, remember I told you I had two gifts. The first free gift was your YouTube ads training videos. Second gift is a bonus. Tap on the click here. You will be taken to that bonus. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos.